Get up, y'all, and come spend a day with me. So I've been hearing about this store called Aldi's for so long. I've been watching TikToks where everybody goes shopping there. So I decided to, let me go see. But only thing I went and get is my meats. So I got all my stuff. I got some water and everything. Next, I gotta find baby girl an outfit for pajama day. But these two was so stinking cute. I'm just looking for her size, but I wind up getting her both of these. And then when I was on my way home, I see they had sushi. My baby been wanting to try this for so long. Y'all don't forget to shop at Aldi's and like and comment on my video. Thank you. Bye.